So you have a reference photo, you love it and you want to paint it, but you don't know how to place the sketch on the canvas? Here is a simple way to get the perfect sketch each time. Hi, I'm Cécile, French artist and art teacher, and my mission is to help you becoming a better artist. This is the last video of my series about reference photo. You have the link in description if you want to know what is a good reference photo and where to find a good reference photo. So let's go for today and place a sketch on the canvas. I'm working on a large canvas. It's 90 centimeters tall and it's standing on my easel. I have taped the reference photo on the left. I'm using a red chalk because I think it's the easiest way for me to draw on an acrylic background. The good thing with it is you can erase it with just a bit of water. I'm drawing an oval, cutting in half for the middle of the face, cutting in half again, and this is supposed to be the eye lines. And I am kind of mixing different methods here because I want to really get close to the reference image. So I'm measuring that the nose is half of the line of the eyes, kind of half, and placing the nose ball, it always helps. And I'm switching from eyes to nose to eyes again. Just one thing, you have one eye width between the eyes usually, and here it's exactly what's going on. So I'm just placing the main features, and then I want to check that this is accurate. And to see if it's accurate, I'm taking a photo with my iPad and importing the photo of the canvas on top of the reference image. I'm using Procreate for this. And what I want to do is get the layer on multiply so I can see the image below. And then I will enlarge my canvas image until it fits the correct size of the reference photo. So you can tell that this is not bad, actually. It could be a bit better, but for first sketch, I'm quite happy with it. Well, if I look closely, I can tell that her left eye is a bit too low, and obviously it looks a bit down compared to the right one. And also the mouth is a bit too high. I could draw it a bit lower, but also the edge of the hair is a bit too large. So let's fix this. And first I want to erase a bit of the existing sketch. I'm simply spraying tap water on a clean cloth, actually it's a little tissue, and just wiping the chalk from the canvas. This is really a cool technique. And using my reference image on top of the reference photo, I can check where I am supposed to place back the new eye, so to speak. And okay, it's erased, but you can still see a bit of the previous sketch, and it helps me to figure out where to place the new eye, because I have the former one on the screen of the iPad, and also I can see it barely on my canvas. So it's really easier for me to place the correct features now. And same for the mouth. I'm looking where it's supposed to be now and redrawing it another time. And let's draw the hairline as well, because it was too large, and this is the kind of thing that can really ruin a painting. Before moving to the next stage, I want to remove all the extra lines of the chalk that could bother me. And I'm just spraying either directly on the canvas or on the tissue, as you prefer, and trying to fix the things so it's a little less messy. And to draw, I'm using a Posca marker. This is a white one, just because I thought it would just be visible between the chalk and the background. I know I will be painting with oil on top of that, so it won't move with the acrylic marker. This is really a good way to do that. The only thing is the tip of the marker is being clogged by the chalk sometimes. So you have to get a loose sheet of paper aside and scribble on it so you can get rid of all the red that is in the white felt. Once you have drawn everything with a white Posca, you can spray directly on the canvas so it will really damp your canvas, and you just wipe off the chalk, and this is really a good time to do it. And maybe you don't see much of the white drawing, but believe me, I have enough information to paint on right now. Sometimes later I have finished the painting. Here is the final result. This is oil painting on top of an acrylic background, and this one went really fine. It was really easy to paint this one. Sometimes things are working well. It's quite large, you can tell with my hand on her eye, and really I'm happy with it. So this is what I do with reference image. It's maybe more an inspiration than an exact copy here. I hope you liked this video. See you soon for another video. Bye bye. Au revoir.